fans have long awaited this moment. The Fantastic Four are finally set to make their official debut in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. As anticipation builds toward the film's late July release, Nike has captured that same energy in sneaker form, introducing the Air Force 1 Invisible Woman 2.0. While there's no confirmed collaboration with Marvel, the thematic parallels to Sue Storm's invisibility powers are unmistakable. This latest version nods to the original 2006 Fantastic Four pack, which also avoided direct branding yet still resonated strongly with fans. The Invisible Woman 2.0 maintains the signature translucent TPU elements, though now they appear more selectively, highlighting the toe box and quarter panels rather than the entire forefoot. Complementing these semi-clear panels is a clean, airy upper constructed of white leather, mesh, and rubber. The look is completed by a cool, ocean blue icy sole, subtly reinforcing the superheroic inspiration without saying a word.